Hexham Swamp is a vast area of wetlands in the Hunter Estuary. It covers some 3,000 hectares. 2,000 hectares of this is managed by the Hunter Local Land Services under the Hexham Swamp Rehabilitation Project. This project started 25 years ago with the opening of the Ironbark Creek floodgates to allow tidal inundation back into the swamp. The floodgates on Ironbark Creek have all been opened now, so now we have a mosaic of wetlands and great diversity. All these habitats are really important for the diversity of water birds that we have here. A range of community groups have been involved in supporting the improved habitats across Hexham Swamp. In particular, the Hunter Bird Observers Club have a massive amount of data of bird observations here in Hexham. And they came to us with a proposal for the Black-necked Stork nest, and we saw that as a great opportunity to work together. They're an endangered species in New South Wales, and it fitted nicely under our rehabilitation project, improving habitat for endangered species.
In Hexham Swamp in particular, it hasn't survived because there are not enough stable trees. Now these birds build a nest that's 2 metres across and about 1 metre deep. You can imagine a nest that size is extremely heavy because it has, they use quite large branches. And so what happens is that the trees in Hexham Swamp haven't been stable and the nests have either slipped sideways or totally collapsed. We saw artificial nesting platforms in swamps in Japan for a species of stork called oriental stork. So that set us all thinking, and then I came home and wrote a submission to National Parks and Hunter Local Land Services suggesting that we should put an artificial platform in Hexham Swamp in the hope that the birds might use it instead of these really unstable trees. So it was really Hunter Local Land Services and Amanda who contacted Tom Ireland, who does this kind of work, and he has constructed our platform.
The black-necked storks prefer to nest in lower trees on the swamp. There aren't too many of these trees, and the trees that are there are very weak. So what we wanted to do is create a design that mimicked an existing tree, but had that support and firm structure that would withhold when the stork eventually decided to nest on that platform, which we're hoping will be within the next year or two.
So after 12 months of planning and nest construction, and all the logistics finally came together, and we had the nest installed by helicopter last month. It was such a great feeling to see it all come together, and seeing the helicopter lift up the nest, it felt like it's successful already. The true success probably won't be seen till next breeding season when the black-necked storks actually come over and use it, but we feel like it's successful already.